In this section, we will revise 3 topics: the possessive adjectives, WH, question words, and questions in present simple using do or does. Let's begin. We'll start with the possessive adjectives. These words are used to show possession of something or someone. The possessive adjectives in English are as follows. For the subject I, the possessive adjective is my. For you, it is your. For he, it is his. For she, we use the possessive her. For it, we use the possessive its. For we use the possessive our. And for they, we use possessive their. Here we have some examples. My dog's name is Lemmy. Your father is an accountant. His name is Carlos. Her job is very interesting. Its control is good. Our mother is Martha. Their house is big. Second, we'll talk about asking questions in present simple using WH, question words, and the auxiliary verbs do and does. Present simple is a tense used for repeated actions or everyday activities and habits. For question formation, we use do or does as auxiliary verbs, depending on the subject, and we leave the verb in its base form. We use do for the subjects I, you, they, and we use the auxiliary verb does for the subjects he, she, or it in third person, singular nouns, and uncountable nouns. And at the end of the sentences, we write a question mark. Here are some examples. Do you speak French? Does she speak French? Do they like pizza? Does he like pizza? Do you work here? Does it work here? Now, let's review question formation using WH question words. First, let's have a look of the different question words and their use. What is used for a thing or specific item or matter or subject? When is used for time or a date? Who is used for people? Which is used for a choice or an option? Where is used for a place? And how is used for the way something is done or carried out. Second, let's have a look at the word order in English questions. WH word plus auxiliary to or does the subject plus base verb plus complement. Example: where does he live? How do you say it in English? Thank you, everybody. and see you next time. Goodbye.